Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this purple eye makeup look. I know you guys like it whenever I do purple eye looks, so here you go. The first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. I'm taking my all-time favorite MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. Have been using it years and years, and I just want to know from you guys, what is your favorite eyeshadow primer? Because I've been using this one for a long time and there are a few other ones that I like, but I just keep going back to this one. But let me know in the comments what your favorite eyeshadow primer is, and maybe I'm going to try it out as well. So I set my whole eyelid with some powder and then I applied my brow gel. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and I will be using my own palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. It's called the An Knook Pro Eyeshadow Palette. I have it linked down in the description bar in case you're curious. And I started with the color Cottage and I used this all underneath my brow to kind of give it a highlight. Then I went in with the color Knovos, which is a light purple shade, and I'm going to start blending this all the way in my crease area. So this is going to be like the transition shade, so I'm going to apply quite a lot of this because I want this shade to be the color that you will see all around in my crease area. So I'm going in with a few layers to really build it up. First just a little bit, and then I just keep adding more of this color until I'm happy with how it's looking. Also, all the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty. I do have a special discount code for Sigma Beauty products. I believe they have a special sale going on right now. I will check what it is and let you guys know in the comment section. I believe there's like an extra 50% discount or something like that, but I will check it out and let you guys know. But yeah, I just keep blending. You can see compared to when I started, it looks a lot more purple now. Then I used the color Glaze, which is the shimmery color. I'm actually not showing you guys, but it's the shimmery color, which looks like cinnamon glaze. So it's a super kind of like pearly color with a light sheen in it. And I'm just blending this at this beginning part of the eyelid using a shader brush. Then I went in with the color Jacqueline, which is the name of my mom. And I'm going to use this purple color in the center of the eyelid. So I'm also blending it slightly on top of the color Glaze just to make these two shades blend into each other. You can always go back in with the light color and apply a little bit more if you struggle with making the transition look nice. But I always apply most of the product in the center and then just a little bit on top of the previous color that I used. So this is how it's currently looking. I really love how it's looking so far. Then I went back in with the purple color that I used at the beginning, which is called Knovos. And then I used a little bit of concealer like right underneath the outer portion of the eyeshadow just to clean it up a little bit, and also apply it underneath the eyes because my concealer underneath the eyes is creasing a lot, as you can see, especially on my right eye. So I had to reapply it a little bit and then set it with some powder to lock it in place. But loving these colors, and it's kind of getting me into the summer vibe. I am from the Netherlands, for those who don't know, and the weather has actually been so nice lately. So yeah, I love wearing colorful eye looks in summertime. So this is definitely something that I would wear. Then now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner, and this one is from Hindash Cosmetics, and this is actually a super nice liquid liner. I noticed I've been reaching out to this one quite often lately, also off camera. It has a super precise point and it has a nice black finish. So I'm going to use this to just create a simple line above the lash line. I'm not going for a wing liner, even though I will show you guys this version of the eye look that I'm wearing with a wing liner as well. So you can just decide which version you like more, the one with just a simple line above the lash line, or the version with the liquid or with the winged eyeliner, I should say. Because when I was done filming, I decided to go for a winged liner, so I thought, let me just show you guys how it looks as well, but you can see that at the end of the video. Then I went in with the color Knovos again, and I'm using this for underneath the lower lash line. So I'm using a Sigma E15 flat definer brush. I'm blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. Then I went in with a Sigma E25 brush and now blending it out just to make everything look more soft and not like, as you can see, that it looks very like pressed on. You want the edges to be soft. Now going back in with the color Glaze, applying a little bit more in the inner corner, and then I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Super Nude Duo Pencil, and now using this for in the waterline. Honestly, a purple pencil in the waterline would have been super pretty as well, but I wanted to keep it a little bit more on the neutral side, so I went for a normal nude color. Then I curled my lashes because it's already time for mascara. I use the MAC Stack eyeshadow primer. I actually never use eyeshadow primers, but I received this one new in the mail and I just wanted to give it a go. So this will just leave like a nice clear coat on the lashes, which will make the next mascara look more longer. So I use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I also have the MAC Stack mascara, which kind of like suits with the primer, but that one was brown and I wanted to use a black mascara for today. But yeah, I'm not sure. Do you guys use eyeshadow or mascara primers? Is that what it's called? I'm not quite sure. I feel like it just makes my lashes look more thick and more spidery. I'm not really a fan of it. Let me know how you guys feel about it. So I didn't go in with false lashes, I just decided to keep it this way. But of course you can go with false lashes if you want to. You can give your own twist to this eye look if you recreate it. And here you can see the version with the eyeliner. Now yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. I will have my palette down in the description bar with all the details, and I also have a special playlist with all the videos I made using my palette. So if you have my palette and you need some inspiration, definitely check it out. And yes, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!